Sigma males have a certain demeanor that is distinctive. They do not resemble the brash, loud alphas or the meek, submissive followers. With grit and determination, they carve their own paths through life, defying labels and rejecting conformity. These people are the lone wolves. They follow their own path and march to the beat of their own drum. What, though, gives these men their distinct toughness and their imposing masculine frames? The topic of the video for today is the masculine framework that Sigma males use to dominate life. Some might argue that it's a combination of nature and nurture, with some Sigma men simply being born with a particular temperament, and others developing their abilities progressively through hardship and introspection. What is evident is that there are some characteristics that all Sigma men appear to share to some extent. Generally speaking, introverted people prefer solitude or small, close-knit groups of reliable friends or family to crowded places. They have a keen eye for detail and possess a remarkable capacity for interpreting facial expressions and body language. They frequently think logically and independently, unafraid to question authority or tradition. Above all else, they value sincerity and authenticity, and they don't have much patience for people who engage in political or social games. But these men also have a human side that is often hidden beneath the surface. Number 1. Despite having the right to, they never show off. The humility of Sigma males is among their most admirable qualities. They prefer to remain grounded and keep their attention on what lies ahead, rather than feel the need to brag about their successes or draw attention to them in front of other people. Instead, they let their actions speak for themselves. This does not imply that they lack self-assurance or don't have faith in themselves. In truth, they are confident in themselves and do not feel the need to demonstrate it to others. They are aware that their value stems from within and is not dependent on other people's approval or external validation. Sigma men never feel the need to boast about their accomplishments, even when they are in high-profile situations. Instead of serving as a justification for receiving approval or recognition from others, their accomplishments are a source of internal pride and satisfaction. They are incredibly independent and centered on their own personal growth and development because they don't require outside validation. They are self-aware and realize that they are ultimately responsible for their success. They do not look to others for approval or direction. They are also able to appreciate others' contributions, which is another aspect of their humble nature. Despite their own successes, they do not downplay or minimize the efforts or achievements of others. Sigma males are always willing to acknowledge the efforts of others, whether in the workplace or in their personal lives, and they give credit where credit is due. Number 2. They convey their intentions clearly through their words. Their honesty and integrity are among the qualities that set Sigma men apart. They do not support avoiding issues or providing partial information. Simply put, when they speak, they are telling the truth. What distinguishes them from other male archetypes is their commitment to speaking truthfully and openly in all communication. It is not just about what they say, it is also about what they do. They do not use mind tricks or other manipulative techniques, and they place a high value on simplicity and directness. Sigma males are renowned for their unwavering loyalty to their commitments. They never make promises they cannot keep, and never say things they do not mean. You can rely on them to keep their promises because they are reliable and true to their word. This degree of consistency and authenticity is welcome in a world where so many people are preoccupied with maintaining a particular image or meeting the expectations of others. Being true to oneself, for men in the Sigma community, is the cornerstone upon which everything else is built. Of course, this commitment to honesty and directness does not imply that they are insensitive or lacking in other areas. They are aware that there are circumstances in which communication calls for tact and nuance. However, they contend that these events ought to be the exception rather than the rule. Number 3. Instead of attempting to control others, they lead by example. These men possess a deeper level of leadership understanding than the majority of people do, and they actively practice the idea that a great leader inspires rather than controls. Their followers are not their subjects, but rather their traveling companions, and they lead by example rather than by giving orders. The approachableness and listening skills of Sigma men form the basis of their unmatched leadership style. They are sensible enough to recognize the seriousness of the circumstances and seek out different points of view to make well-informed decisions. They embody what they preach, which is what makes them the most inspiring. For Sigmas, values are more than just abstract ideas. They are lived out every day through their strong logic and insightful analysis. Sigma men believe that true leadership is not about dominance, but elevating others to greatness. It is not just about achieving results, but also having a positive impact on the community. They use their power to open doors to a better life, encouraging others to do the same. By doing this, they demonstrate to others that real leadership entails setting an example rather than giving orders. Number 4, they don't act unethically. The men in the Sigma fraternity never attempt to take advantage of or defraud others. Instead, they always try to play fairly in all of their interactions. Although they desire success in whatever they are pursuing, this does not imply that they will do so at the expense of others. While others don't mind when some people spread falsehoods about them in an effort to make them look bad, men in the Sigma fraternity always support fair competition. They believe they can succeed without cheating because they have confidence in their skills. All facets of their lives, from close friendships to work environments, are characterized by this dedication to moral conduct. They accept accountability for their actions and make decisions based on what they feel is morally appropriate, even if it isn't always the simplest or most popular option. They can stay away from spreading rumors or other types of manipulation to discredit others thanks to this ethical code. Instead of focusing on bringing down others in order to raise themselves, they put their efforts into raising themselves by working hard, being committed, and staying true to their principles. Sigma men compete fairly and honestly. Success gained by using unethical tactics is hollow and unfulfilling. When people succeed, they do so modestly and never attempt to minimize the achievements of others or take credit for the hard work of their teammates or co-workers. Number 5, they resist allowing themselves to be victimized. Even though they seem quiet and gentle, they are not in the least bit naive. The biggest error you can make is to try to take advantage of a Sigma. Unbelievably, they have extraordinary skills to uphold their integrity. They possess a remarkable capacity to spot coercion and manipulation before they even occur. They rarely get caught off guard and are good at detecting when someone is trying to take advantage of them. In contrast to other men who frequently allowed themselves to be persuaded by flattery or extortion. When having a difficult conversation, Sigma males trust their intuition and maintain objectivity. Even when under a lot of pressure, they would not allow themselves to be exploited. A man like this is virtually impossible to take advantage of because they uphold strict boundaries and never stray from the moral code. He can't be bullied and won't back down from standing up for himself, so he will never compromise his dignity to please someone else. Despite the fact that they like to lend a hand, Sigma males will cut ties with someone for good if they feel they are being used. They won't let their partners take advantage of them while they are still in a relationship, even though it might hurt them. Instead, they will break up if they feel abused. Well, these were the characteristics that enabled men in the Sigma community to rule their lives. They stand out from the general population because of the traits they possess. Because of their propensity for preferring solitude to wasting time and energy on pointless activities, the general public perceives them as haughty and self-centered. This also enables them to succeed in achieving their objectives and leading the life they desire. What do you guys think of this? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Take care until the next one.